Hi, hello. I know I'm a little late to the game here. I'm on a dock right now and it's moving. And I'm really afraid that I'm going to fall over. So I know I'm a little bit late to the 360 camera game here, but I did recently pick up a GoPro Fusion. These things were $800 or $900 brand new when they first came out. And I don't know what your situation is, but I don't have that kind of money. So I waited till the price dropped, picked one up. I don't really know what I'm going to do with this. I just had an idea of putting it on the top of my car and driving around downtown on a beautiful day like this. So we're going to do that. We already drove around last night. It's a really nice yacht. One day. So my buddy Maharshi and I already used this on top of my car last night just as a test run. And let me show you what we did here. We took the tripod mount that comes with the GoPro Fusion and then a GoPro suction cup mount, and we zip tied it 6 times together and then wrapped it in electrical tape so it has some grip. And then we just take the suction cup and mount that on the top of my car. It seemed to work pretty well. We drove down Lakeshore, Michigan, bumpy roads, potholes, no problem. So I'm just going to repeat the same route that we took yesterday. Okay. Alrighty. Here we go. Alright, ladies and gents, that's it for today. Hope this worked out pretty well. I'm gonna get out of the city now because the stop-go traffic has been way too much. But yeah, thanks for watching. Still here. They didn't move for shit.
I think we built a solid mount.
36 minutes.
And it still hasn't stopped, so we're good.
I'm gonna stop at 36, 36.